Printers with voice control, a smart review. Printers with voice control, a smart review. Introduction. In the technologically advanced era we live in, smart devices have become an integral part of our lives. From smartphones to smart homes, artificial intelligence has seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. And now, we have smart printers with voice control, revolutionizing the way we interact with this essential office gadget. In this article, we will explore the benefits, functionalities, and limitations of printers with voice control. Voice control technology and its evolution. Voice control technology has come a long way since its inception. Thanks to advancements in natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, devices like smartphones, smart speakers, and even cars have implemented voice control features successfully. These devices allow users to operate them through voice commands, making the user experience more convenient and hands-free. Printers with voice control, the future of printing. Printers are often seen as mundane office equipment, a necessary tool, but not particularly exciting. However, the advent of printers with voice control has breathed new life into this often overlooked device. With the ability to give voice commands, users can now execute printing tasks effortlessly, freeing up their hands and enabling them to perform other tasks simultaneously. Advantages of printers with voice control. 1. Convenience. One of the most significant advantages of printers with voice control is the convenience they provide. With simple voice commands like print, scan, or copy, users can start printing without even leaving their desks. This convenience is particularly useful in busy office settings where time is of the essence. 2. Accessibility. Printers with voice control also enhance accessibility. People with physical disabilities or limited mobility can now operate printers independently, eliminating the need for assist. This inclusivity is a step towards creating a more accessible workplace for everyone. 3. Efficiency. Voice-controlled printers streamline the printing process by eliminating the need for manual interactions. Users no longer have to navigate through complex menus or search for options on a small display screen. Voice commands allow for quicker execution of printing tasks, improving overall efficiency in office environments. 4. Multitasking. By freeing up the user's hands, printers with voice control enable multitasking. While waiting for a print job to complete, users can continue with other work, answer calls, or engage in any other tasks, leading to better productivity. Features and functionalities of printers with voice control. 1. Voice commands. The primary functionality of printers with voice control is, of course, accepting voice commands. These printers are equipped with advanced voice recognition technology that accurately teleinterprets user instructions. Commands such as print a document, scan a PDF, or even specific print settings like two-sided printing can be easily executed with voice controls. 2. Integration with virtual assistants. To expand the scope of voice control capabilities, printers can also integrate with virtual assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple's Siri. Integration allows users to operate the printer using their preferred voice assistant, extending the usability of these devices beyond the device itself. 3. Self-monitoring and alerts. Many printers with voice control come with the ability to self-diagnose and send alerts for maintenance or supplies replenishment. With voice control, users can simply ask the printer about its current status, such as how much ink is left, or receive alerts when the paper tray is empty or a toner cartridge needs replacement. Limitations and challenges. While printers with voice control offer numerous advantages, it is also important to acknowledge their limitations and potential challenges. 1. Voice recognition accuracy. Voice recognition technology has come a long way, but it is not flawless. Printers with voice control may sometimes misinterpret commands, leading to errors in printing. Manufacturers need to continuously improve the accuracy of voice recognition systems for a more seamless user experience. 2. Limited language support. Currently, printers with voice control predominantly support popular languages such as English. Users who prefer to operate printers in other languages may face limitatio. NS in terms of voice command recognition. This issue requires manufacturers to expand language support to cater to a more diverse user base. 3. Privacy and security concerns. Voice-controlled printers, like any other smart device, raise concerns about privacy and security. Voice recordings used for voice recognition may be stored, raising questions about data privacy. Manufacturers need to implement robust security measures to protect user data and ensure peace of mind for users. Future developments and expectations. As technology continues to advance, we can expect printers with voice control to undergo further improvements and introduce new features. Here are some potential developments we might see in the future. Re. 1. Enhanced voice recognition. Manufacturers will focus on improving the accuracy of voice recognition systems to minimize errors and misinterpretations. This will ensure a more seamless and reliable user experience when interacting with voice-controlled printers. This will cater to a wider audience and promote inclusivity. 3. Integration with smart home systems. With the growing popularity of smart homes, printers with voice control will likely integrate with existing smart home systems. Users will be able to control Air printers alongside other smart devices, creating a more connected and cohesive ecosystem. 4. Improved security measures. To address privacy and security concerns, manufacturers will implement stronger encryption protocols and data protection measures. This will safeguard user data and provide users with the assurance that their information is secure. Printers with voice control have undoubtedly changed the way we interact with this essential office gadget. With the ability to give voice commands, users can now conveniently execute printing tasks without leaving their desks. This convenience is particularly valuable in busy office settings, where time is of the essence. Additionally, printers with voice control enhance accessibility, enabling people with physical disabilities or limited mobility to operate printers independently. The efficiency of voice-controlled printers is another significant advantage. By eliminating the need for manual interactions, users can quickly execute printing tasks without having to navigate through complex menus or search for options on a small display screen. This streamlined process improves overall efficiency in office environments and saves valuable time. One of the key benefits of printers with voice control is the ability to